Welcome to Mum's Craft with Children. Today I am going to make this 2020 calendar. To make this calendar bottle, we will need a bottle, a printed calendar, and some tissues, glue, paint, and some water. We can put some glue on this plate. Place some tissues on the bottle and put glue on top of the tissue. Then cut the calendar. Soak the calendar like this. Place the pieces on the bottle. We need to be very gentle. It's really easy to rip. This bottle has 4 sides, so I'm gonna put 3 pieces in each side. That means 3 months. One side has January and February and March. The next side has April, May and June. And the third side has August. The third one has July, August, September. The last one has October, November and December. Then we can brush the glue on top of the calendar. Then it will be smooth and it will never take off. We can decorate it with the green thread. Then I brushed some glue on that thread. Then I felt it was very simple and very boring. I paint some yellow paint on top of that bottle. Then I tied a thread on top of the bottle. I hope you all enjoyed my 2020 calendar bottle. You can try this. You can gift it to anybody like your teacher. Happy New Year. See you again. Bye-bye.